My name is PunkMeTender. I do mixed media art, street art, digital art, and I do installation. My big artistic influence is life, the world of fashion, and people are a big inspiration in general. And by learning from them brings creativity. I would define my artistic style by current. Every day is an evolution of what I do, so one day might be pop, and another day might be modern, another day might be experimental. So far I will call myself a current artist. My favorite themes to explore as an artist, I'm just very open-minded, so I don't have anything specific. Anything that comes is a source of inspiration. There's many things I love, obviously family, my fiancé, my son, and then I love animal. I love that animal represent to me the purest form of love. So I use a lot of pink because first of all, it's a color that makes me feel happy. Aesthetically, I love the feeling of that color. Pink is a color that actually makes everybody happy. I call it often the human color because it doesn't define any race, any religion. It just rallies the whole humanity. The color pink shapes my art in terms of this message of freedom of gender cases and also a sexy vibe. My favorite work I've done in the past, I don't necessarily have a favorite. They all have a meaning for me. So the day I do my masterpiece, then my masterpiece will be that. But so far I haven't done my masterpiece. So I got in NFT about a year and a half ago. You know, I come from the physical world and I kind of confine myself in this physical world. And then about like 2 years ago, when I started to be interested by the crypto market, then it opened a whole new window in my brain because to me it represents everything that I do in art, which is freedom, going under the radar of every government to be able to have that freedom of speech basically. When it comes to the NFT, it's the next level for my personal career. It's to go into the digital world, and I think it's fascinating. I love the idea of building a community between owner of NFTs and between creator of NFTs. I think NFT is just the beginning. It's a very exciting movement. The biggest challenge I faced, honestly, is the understanding of how NFT works. The first few months you get an NFT, you think you understand, and then you're like, no, fuck, I don't understand. And then you do more research and you think again you understand, and then 3 months later you understand that you don't understand anything. It's very challenging, and there's few reasons for that. It's because number one, the concept of the NFT, the smart contract, is kind of like, I'll compare it with the infinity in space. And it's hard, especially for an artist like me that's very deep into the physical world, to wrap his mind around the digital world. So if I was an artist trying to get into the NFT movement, I will research it, learn about it, and definitely start to collect it. Right now, I'm working on this exciting project. It's called Punk Angels. Punk Angels started through a conversation between friends. This project is a project that's very important in my heart because I want to do it right. We honestly want to do something. I'm not gonna say change the world because it'll be too egocentric, but we definitely want to be part of this new world, especially into the Metaverse, which I'm a firm believer that it's an exciting new platform and world for creative and people in general to be who they want to be without having anyone judging them. And I think that's a beautiful thing. So this project of NFT we're doing, it's a community that we're building Right now that's based on woman and butterfly because they represent freedom, they represent birth. We're building a community that's gonna bring people together, artists together, and we want everybody in this community to communicate with each other, help each other, to push each other. So, generally speaking, on se donne rendez-vous dans le Metaverse very soon.